Welcome back, beauties. This has been a highly requested video. If you follow me on Instagram and watch my IG stories on a regular, then you have noticed a significant change in my hair. I've been following a routine by the hair guru Wolfgang Lisberg, aka the Wave King. He is the one who taught me how to finesse my hair. To get the routine going, I've already deep conditioned my hair, and now it's time to rinse my hair clean and get started. To explain the method for the ones that has yet to witness Wolfgang work his hair, he teaches you the process of feeding your hair with water while detangling with the right tools and learning to use less product in order for your hair to broadcast its natural wave pattern. So basically, it's just water, detangle, and oils. I use my white tooth comb first and prepping my hair to rid of the shedded hair slowly. Now for my routine, I'm using in total 3 tools. For Wolfgang, he does have honest to God, about 10 or so, but I know he doesn't use all at the same time. But this guy legit has more tools, as in combs and brushes, than he does hair products. I've been doing this method along with using less products for about 3 months, every 5 to 7 days. So stubborn tangles, single strand knots, like who dat? It's pretty much non-existent. Frizz is well under control, it's under manners, and my growth it has been impeccable. And I only detangle my hair in the shower when it's soaking wet. I don't ever do this on dry hair because when you detangle on dry hair, even if you spray a little bit of water on it, even if there's product on it, what happens? Frizz. Most won't see the process. They will just look at this and say, it's just me detangling with wet hair. Please understand, it's way more than that. This is about feeding your hair with nature's #1 best moisturizer, water. Every time I run that comb through my hair under the water, I am elongating and hydrating every single strand while safely removing shedded hair. And this has nothing to do with the amount of hair I have on my head. It has nothing to do with my hair type. Anybody can do this routine and safely detangle their hair under the water. If you have dry hair, you need to be feeding your hair with nature's #1 best moisturizer more often. Now I'm done detangling. I'm just using cold water on my hair just for a few seconds. To prep my hair before styling, this is what I do. I use my Charn Naturals hair tea rinse and I put that all over my hair, and then I spritz with my rice water all over. And then I'm going to use my fine tooth comb to work that into my hair. These liquids have nothing to do with Wolfgang's routine, but everything to do with my hair regimen and what I like to use to keep my hair strong, long, and healthy. Next up, we have my henna tea. And yes, I did update my recipe for my henna tea. That will be posted soon. To close down my cuticles and to lower my pH levels, I am spraying my hair with apple cider vinegar. I love this stuff. And to seal all those yummy liquids in, I'm using my DIY Avaduric hair growth oil. And yes, the recipe is going to be posted, so look out for that. Now that I'm done, I just wrap my hair up into 2 buns and continue on with my shower. When I'm finished, I just apply a light gel. Lately, I've been making my own flaxseed gel, so shit has been coming out bomb. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Wolfgang, and I'll see y'all for the next video.